So we found that a lot of homeowners have, whether it's a patio or a driveway, concrete that, for the most part, it's still structurally sound. It's in good shape, but it just needs some TLC. Some slabs have sunk, some have cracked. There's a lot of dirt buildup on there. So really, we want to offer customers ways of extending the life of their concrete, renewing their concrete without having to do an expensive replacement. And we do that by offering our 4-step renewal system. So it all starts with stabilizing and lifting your concrete. So concrete likes to sink over time. We come in and we'll lift and stabilize your slabs, getting them level again, removing any trip hazards or slabs that are, creating poor drainage. Once all the slabs have been raised and stabilized, we then power wash the surface. This is going to make your concrete look new again. Once it's clean, once it's dry, we then will seal up all of the cracks, all of the gaps that will allow water to soak below your concrete, which can cause it to sink again. So you want to eliminate any water from getting to the bottom of your slab. The final step involves applying a commercial grade penetrating sealer. This is an amazing way of stopping water and salt from damaging your concrete. So unsealed concrete over time can cause damage. The surface can break down, especially when salt's being applied year after year. By sealing that surface, you're protecting it. You're going to make that concrete really live a long life. So the 4-step renewal we found is a great way to restore sunken, dirty, cracked concrete. Just makes it look new again without having to do a costly replacement.